Hi, my name is Anton. I live in Australia. This is my video number 9. Usually middle-aged people or older people have problem with some kind of cancer. These people lose confidence and drive if the cancer is life-threatening, which mostly of them are life-threatening. It is especially difficult to travel to a foreign country not knowing their language. The advantage of going to Japan for treatment is because the patient will receive the best cancer treatment in the world using carbon heavy ion radiation therapy. For most cancers, the treatment used in Japan are the best because they use the latest medical radiation therapy methods. The advantages of using these methods are listed as follows. Most effective in the least amount of time, safe, no operation required, no chemotherapy needed, minimum side effect. The disadvantage of this treatment is because of the cost. It is not affordable for some patient. Patient and someone else need to travel together to Japan for the treatment. It is also recommended that someone who was already been to Japan and know and understand the procedure travel with the patient and their companion. Through my firm, I can fill this role if that is a choice of the patient. Our firm has all the necessary contacts and know how the documents are to be prepared before cancer treatment. We also have experience of being in Japan during the treatment. And we know what needs to be done after finishing the radiation treatment. For our consultation service prior to the treatment in Japan, we charge an hourly rate. If the hospital in Japan sends us a schedule for heavy ion radiation therapy treatment, we all should be very happy. Shortly after the schedule has been sent, we will receive more information from the hospital. The hospital will give to us the price of the estimated cost, which need to be paid up front prior to travel to have the treatment. Patient, with my help, will need to comply with the hospital rules. My firm will charge the patient a percentage or the fixed fees before traveling to Japan, minus the amount already paid as an hourly rate. This way, we will be all working hard towards a positive outcome. My firm has a few options regarding my traveling with patient to Japan. To ask more questions or to discuss this matter further, please contact me by email. My email is cancertreatmentjapan@gmail.com. You can see on the screen my email and my firm name. And that is a treatment in Japan with heavy ion radiotherapy. Very safe, very successful. I recommend to everyone to go there. Information and communication between us will be very professional and confidential. Communication between two parties will be in English language. All information and documentation will be returned to the patient after the cancer is dead. Hopefully, the patient will continue living a normal life after their return from Japan. We have a contractor in Japan, a very experienced person who can speak the Japanese and English language. We will use him to help us to have easier life in Japan. I have to mention that we couldn't find a consultant firm that can provide a similar service as we offer to a patient with the cancer which can be treated in Japan. Good luck and